Okay, well, let's continue. In the previous video, if you remember, we created this code in the linear regression, we got a huge problem. The problem was that we didn't have the code that create the metrics and we lost it. So how we can find that? It's easy. You go to your GitHub and you can find that in your commits. You see, we here has the code and we can just simply copy the calculate all 9 metrics and we can just simply copy that, and you can also return the result if you want or don't want. It's up to you. Let's copy that here. Okay, let's run it. Now run it. After generating charts, it's going to do this work. Because of that, we need to wait until then and see if it's going to work or not. If it crash, okay, we have a problem. Prediction is not defined. What is the prediction? Why test dialog? Why predictions? Okay, we need to change that. Let's see, where is the why predictions? We changed the name of all predictions, why predictions to all predictions. Let's change that and see if we can get it or not. I also think we have why pred up and we didn't need to create them again. But let's go with that. Let's run it again. Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, Y5, Y6, and I hope the result is going well. Okay, we have the SVG, but here we have a problem. Where is the problem? Permission denied. Okay, it's because this file is open. Let's run it again. But before that, I want to delete everything that we have in the result to get the right thing. Let's go here and I delete the results and also the evaluation result. Let's run it and see if we are going to work right or not. I hope it's work great and perfectly, because I need that. Okay, let's wait. I hope we have no errors. No error. Okay, the result is saved. Everything is right. Let's check the evaluation result. Okay, everything is completely right and we get everything. Now we have a code that running the function right, but it needs some modification. Let's go and do them. At first we need to commit that, because as you can see, the commit is going to help us very well. Version 5 of regression, completing the, how I can say it to be more suitable, completing the charts and errors. Now after that we need to have the version 6. Let's wait for it to commit them. Version 6 of regression. Okay, now what we are going to do here, now we need to save the model. Let's see. I want to copy this here train model. Give a code to save this model. Okay, I want to save it by pickle. Save it by pickle because I'm work with that better. Let's wait for that. Okay. Now let's paste it here. I need to copy this thing and paste it here. Now run it and run it. Okay. I created a little mistake, I think. I forget to import pickle. Let me import that. Let's run it again. Okay, the model is saved. Now I don't want it to continue anymore. Let me stop it. I want to delete this result folder. I don't need that. Okay, we have where the model has been saved. It's really important. Saved as per result, train linear. Okay, the model is saved. Now we also save the model. Now we have a code that run the model, test the model, save the model, and it's work perfectly. Now we have everything for that. So we are going to add some other things. What we are going to think, I'm going to call this from this here. I want to call, let's copy the name function, name of the function. This function from this file to use in my own file. This file, let's give it the name of the file. Okay, let's see. I need to copy this file, I think. Let me copy that and paste it here in the end of it. It has no. Okay, now let's run it. What is the problem? We have a lot of problem. Let's run it again. Save it. I want to commit that at first. Completing the regression. Okay, we complete the regression. Let's fetch it. Now we need to change it. Let me paste that. And also I want to copy this thing, paste it here. Let's run it. Why it's working? I can't understand why it's working. Okay, we have the function. Now I want to call it. Let's see how we can call it. No, I want to delete these things. These results are not what I needed. Okay, paste it here. Let's see if I can give the name of the file here. run it. I think I need to change it here. So we have a problem. We can't call it because it's in IPMB, and I think we need it to be .py. So for that, I'm going to change it to .py. It's really easy. I'm going to copy everything here. I'm going to add a file. How? I'm going to go here in app, and I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Let's open a new file, py. Let's use the text. Let's add some. Oh, before that, let's select the language, Python, and save it. I'm going to come back to find it, project, end-to-end, app. I'm going to open a file and name it functions. And name it linear reg.py. Now let's see if we have the file here. Project, end-to-end, functions, we have it. So let's see the main file we have here. Linear reg. How we can call it? Let's see how we can call it. Okay, we need to find out how we can read this file at first. Our code is in a folder named app, and the linear reg is in a folder near the app folder name function. Okay, let's see function. The code for main.py. Okay, let's copy the code for the main.py and try to fix that. From functions, what it's done? From functions dot model units. Okay, functions, here we need to get our name. What is the file name? Linear reg, let's run it. Name file is not defined. Where is the problem? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the problem. Name file is not defined. Fix the error. If we done it for once, everything is going to done. Let's see how it's going to fix that. Let's paste it here. Let's run it. Okay, you see it's calling the chart completely right, and we can done the work. Okay, everything is done perfectly. We call the model and the model is working well. Now we can just change the model name and everything is going to work perfectly. So we have the linear reg model. Oh, okay. Name min absolute is not defined. 121. Let's go here. Min absolute error. Why it's not defined? What is the problem here? Let's take a look at this thing. Oh, the problem is here. It's copied not well. Let me copy it again. Save it. I think this is the right code. Yes, let's run it again. Let me just save it. Let's run it again and wait and hope it's running perfectly. I hope it's run right. Let's wait. Okay, the chart is right. Why it's not running right? Let me run it here. Okay, it's working right here and right there. Oh, maybe we imported some library here and not there. Let's see what this error means. What this error means? Let's see, I don't really understand. To run the function, but it don't know because okay, let's add this 3 line of code and see if it's going to fix it or not. Let's save it, run it again. I hope this time we get the result. Y4, Y5, Y6. What is the problem with min absolute error? Let's see if let's go here, min absolute error in line 121 here. Min absolute error. Why the error does not fixed. Let's see if it can understand. Let's copy that and see if it's going to work better or not. I hope the problem is from the import system. Saved. Let's run it again. The programming, all I know is about trying, failing, trying, failing, trying, failing. And then at the end AI comes and take your job. It's really interesting. Okay. Let's ask it again. The error does not fixed. I have a little trick. I want to apply that. It's a little trick. I think it's going to work well. Let me just do the trick. Let's run it now. Create out the libraries first and then run the code. It's maybe genius or not, I don't really know. No, the error is happening again. Right, even though you have filed, looking at your retrieve code filing, if you added the important to your Jupyter notebook but forget to save them inside the actual .py file, the file possible. Open the location. Okay, open type section. Okay, let's replace them. The file wasn't saved. If you are as a VS Code, make sure you Control S. Okay. You often remember the old version of the file. After you save the file, go to your notebook menu and click on Restart Run All. Okay, let's do Restart Run All. File. Open where it's good. We go the kernel. Kernel, restart and run all. Kernel. Let's go to kernel, restart and run all. Okay. Let's run it again. I hope it's worked this time. Okay, it's going to crash. No, it's not crashed. I think it's because we fixed it. I don't know how, but maybe it's because the kernel was not saving. So we have the thing that we want. Let's run it another time. Okay, the linear rig project is completely ended. We have all the result and everything is completely here. Let's see, take a look. Here in the app, we are getting the result. The linear rig is completely done. We have everything we want from the linear rig. So let's save it. Adding linear rig to our main file. Nice. Okay, we added the linear rig is adding to our file and it's pretty amazing work that we done. Now we have everything we want. In the previous video, we are going to add other models and also create a menu here, I think. So until then, don't forget to like and subscribe if you like, and ask me if you need anything. Let me just comment that. Okay, push to origin. Let's go and see the project here. The project is greatly here and everything we have commits. No. I pushed the commits, but I think the commits are fetched now. Let me refresh that. No, it's not all the commits. We don't have any commits here. Where all of them gone? Let's go to the project. Okay, the commits are created here. Now we have all of them. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have a nice